Hello darlings, today I'll be giving you the digital experience of the Profusion and Target Beauty Spotlight event. Target and Profusion are inviting the public to a hands-on demo and experience to be held in 100 stores nationwide. The event includes a free makeup application, samples for testing, and a live demo and tutorial. If you're unable to make it to the Beauty Spotlight event on May 6 from 12 to 4 p.m., well, you're in luck because this is a tutorial on the looks that will be featured in the live demo. The first look that will be featured at the Beauty Spotlight event is a classic daytime look and will only take about 3 minutes and 4 shades to create. The first step is to sweep outgoing into the crease and blend outwards. The second step is to apply Outspoken onto the outer lid and blend it into the crease. Then, smudge the same shade onto the outer edge of the lower lash line. The third step is to press Terrific onto the lid and then blend it into the middle of the lower lash line. The fourth and final step is to highlight the brow bone and inner corner of the eye using the shade Excited. And now it's time to create the next look that will be featured at the Beauty Spotlight event. This is a smoky eye and should only take about 3 minutes and 4 shades to create. The first step is to sweep and brace onto the entire lid and blend outwards. The second step is to apply Bestie into the crease and blend upwards, then smudge the entire lower lash line with the same shade. The third step is to press tease onto the outer and inner corner of the lid and then blend into the crease. Next, smudge the same shade onto the outer edge of the lower lash line. The fourth and final step is to highlight the brow bone and inner corner of the eye with the shade Chatty. And that completes this tutorial for the 2 looks that will be demoed at the Profusion and Target Beauty Spotlight event on May 6 from 12 to 4 p.m. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.